Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. And also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing a skincare haul with you all. These are the products that I bought in the months of November, December and January. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. The first on the list is this hair color kit from Kama Ayurveda. This is, I think, 100% organic natural hair color kit. It has one henna powder and the other one is indigo powder. You are supposed to use the henna powder first, and after that you are supposed to use the indigo powder. This kit costed me for around 1600 rupees. Actually, the thing is I have a lot of gray hair on this side, so I want to just cover that up. I am traveling somewhere, so I ordered this kit, and I only used the henna. I have not used the indigo also because I am very happy with how my hair is looking after applying henna itself. So I have not tried indigo, and we were also in a rush at that time. So I don't feel the need to use the indigo powder from this one. But the henna in itself is quite good. It is very expensive. The quantity is very less, but it is my first time using henna after like a really long period of time. At that time I mainly used henna to condition my hair, but this time I am using henna to color my hair. So I want to make sure that the brand is really good, the product is really good, because we are on short of time. I have no time to experiment with a lot of products before traveling. So I thought, chalo, even if it's a little bit of expensive product, I thought, okay, let's order and see. If we calculate, this henna powder costed me 800, which is quite expensive, and this one is 800 rupees. So I think this will come for around 2 uses. From the next time, I will use some affordable henna options. I'll search for some affordable henna options. This is very good quality henna. After 45 days also, still I can see my hair is like very nicely covered with the red color, like the bronze color of this henna. The color has not faded away like very quickly. It lasted me for around 45 days to 2 months. So very good quality henna. But I'll search for some more affordable options also, and I'll try this indigo powder also. According to reviews, this indigo powder is top notch. So I'm excited to try this one also. I'll share like how my hair is looking before applying this and after applying this, maybe in the form of a short video or something. So if you're looking to color your hair at home, that will come in handy. So that's with the Kama Ayurveda organic hair color kit. And after that, I have this soothing and barrier support serum from the Ordinary. The reason why I bought this product is I started using tretinoin, and I want something that is very soothing and calming on my skin. My trusted go-to serum is from the Purito, the green serum. It has high concentration of centella, more than 50% I think. But the thing is, I'm also using the toner from Cosrx, which also has high concentration of centella. So I thought, let's try some other serum which is very calming, soothing and barrier supportive. Then I found this serum. It is much hyped product. It went viral, and a lot of people say that this is very calming and soothing on the skin. I started using this product, and it did not irritate my skin even a bit. I have not felt that it is very soothing and calming, I would say, but the product is very good. Like, it makes my skin look very bright the next day, and it is absolutely non-irritating. It provides that hydration, a little bit of soothing effect, a little bit of moisturization. So overall, I would say good product from Ordinary. But I would say the Purito green serum is still my favorite when it comes to soothing of the skin when compared to this one. But this is not a bad product either. The ingredients are very, very good. It has centella derivatives. It has 2% niacinamide. It has lot of hydrating ingredients, moisturizing ingredients. So the product in itself is very good. If you want to give it a try, you can give it a try. So that's with the Ordinary Soothing and Barrier Support Serum. And when I bought this product, Ordinary has an offer, and they sent me this free moisturizer, and I just tried it once and it felt good. The ingredients are also good. Actually, this has some negative reviews that it won't sink into the skin nicely, but I have not felt that way. It felt nice on the skin. It felt good on the skin. It has good ingredients like glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, glycine, and these are all very nice humectants, and we have some emollients also here. So overall I see that this is like loaded with humectants and moisturizing ingredients. So but I have to like give it a proper, but I have to use it properly to give you like a proper verdict. But as of now, as per the first impressions, I feel this is a good moisturizer from Ordinary. Let me show you the product. This is how the product looks like, and the serum, this is how the serum looks like. Anyway, I'll include a texture shot here so that you can have a proper look at how the products are looking like. And after that, I have one toner. This is from Round Lab. I heard so many good reviews about this toner, that it is very hydrating on the skin. Right now, my skincare is all about toners. If you tell me something is soothing and hydrating, I'll get that one, because I'm using tretinoin and my skin always needs that hydration and moisturization. Currently, I'm using the Purito Cica toner, which is very hydrating and soothing on the skin. But I am like more than halfway through that toner. So after that, I'll start using this one. Right now, I have not tried it, but I have high hopes for this product, because everybody say it is very, very hydrating product. It has deep sea water, which is loaded with minerals, which is very beneficial for the skin and stuff like that. So I'm very excited to try this product. In general, also I am very excited to try these brand's products, the Round Lab products, because their moisturizing sunscreen, it got so many awards in Korea. It is the number one sunscreen in Korea. So I want to try other products from this brand, but as of now, I just got the toner because I am already using some other sunscreen. So I just got the toner, but soon I'll try that sunscreen also from this brand. And the next product is Illiyoon Ceramide Ato Concentrate Cream. This is my absolute favorite moisturizer. Like, if I have to stick with only one moisturizer, then that would be this one. Absolutely soothing, absolutely hydrating, and absolutely moisturizing on the skin. If you have like sensitive, irritated skin, then I would say this is the go-to moisturizer. I think this would suit many skin types. Other than if you have oily skin, I would say you won't like this product, combination to oily. But if you have dry skin, very dry skin, sensitive skin, itchy skin, or if you are using tretinoin, or if you have combination that leans towards dry skin, then I would say this is absolutely perfect. I feel that it has that soothing and calming effect on the skin. And if my skin is feeling very itchy and dry due to tretinoin, then if I apply this product, it instantly calms that itch and irritation down, and it keeps my skin hydrated and moisturized, and it suits my skin very, very well. And so I'm absolutely loving this product. I got this from Style.e. Right now it is out of stock, but I am frequently checking Style.e. If it gets back on stock, then I'll place another order of this product. And the thing is, it is 200 grams tube, and I got it for around 1400 to 1500, which I would say is very affordable if you compare with Indian moisturizer options. If you take good moisturizer options in India, usually they range between 300 rupees to 700 rupees for 50 grams of product. Usually that is the price range. And this has 200 grams of product, and I got it for around 1400 rupees, I would say. So for 50 grams, I am paying like 350 rupees. So I guess it comes under affordable range, affordable to mid-range, not exactly mid-range, but still it is quite affordable in my opinion if you compare to the good quality moisturizers in India. And the quality of this moisturizer is top notch. And along with this toner, in the same order, I placed the Purito Centella Unscented Serum. This is my absolute favorite. It has got 49% cica and niacinamide, and it has got ceramides and peptides. This is my absolute favorite serum. Earlier, I used to buy it from Beauty Barn. After that, they discontinued this product on their website. I got very sad. And after that, I saw this product on purple.com. So I felt very happy, and I ordered this product, and I got it at 50% off. Like, I felt very, very happy. I got it at 40% off, and this one at 50% off. And along with this, they send a lot of two full size freebies. Like, I don't know how I got so lucky with this order, but I got 2 freebies. Let me show you those products that I got. They sent this lip balm, the Dr. Paw Paw Lipbalm in strawberry, I think this one, the red color one. They gave options to select from different fragrances, I guess. They have vanilla, strawberry, and two more things I didn't remember properly, but I loved the color of this one because I know that the other colors they won't look good on my lips, but this color, the thing with this lip balm is it is very thick, it is very moisturizing, still it is showing that color on my lips. Usually I like to apply tinted lip balms during daytime. See how I'm holding this product. So I like this lip balm, and next time I'll try the vanilla variant of this lip balm. And they sent me this Kaja Beauty Hydrating Lip Shine. I think it is a lip gloss kind of product, or lip gloss exactly. I don't know what it is. But after applying this lip balm, I am applying this lip gloss. So it is keeping my lips hydrated, and the color is also looking very pretty on my lips. It is looking like a peach pink nude color if I mix these two products. So I'm overall very happy with my order, and I got good discount and I got good free products also. Usually the free products that I get, I usually don't like them much, but these two products are very, very helpful for me. So I like these products. And one more product is the PHA 30-day Miracle Cream from Some by Me. And I got this product in November, I guess, because I thought I have a lot of acne and I thought I will use this product. It has centella 70%. Usually centella based creams works very well for me. But after that, I decided that I'll start tretinoin. So I stopped using this product because you cannot mix exfoliating product and tretinoin in the same routine. And I decided I won't use it in the other routines also. On the other days when I'm not using tretinoin also, I will not be using any exfoliating products. That's what I thought before starting using tretinoin. So I gave a pause to this product. In general, it is a very lightweight moisturizer and feels very nice on the skin, very hydrating. But I gave a pause to this product. Once my skin gets very used to tretinoin, then I'll slowly introduce exfoliating products in my skincare routine. But as of now, the tretinoin is the only exfoliating product that I'm using. So that's with this one. And after that, I bought this Vaseline lip balm, and this is the best lip balm I tried till date. Affordable, very moisturizing, very nourishing. If you want like a simple lip balm that is affordable, go for this one. I don't know like how the other variants are in this one, but this one, the cocoa butter one, is very, very nice. The other one is Axis Y sunscreen. If you are following me for a while, you know that I have been using this sunscreen for a long time. I keep repurchasing this, and they launched their new version. This is version 3. This is even better than the old one. Like the texture is even better. They have removed some they have removed some essential oils. I guess they have 1 or 2 in the previous version, but after that they removed that, and the texture is so nice. It blends so well into the skin. Absolutely no white cast. At least on my skin tone, it is not showing any white cast. Even if you have a little bit of deeper complexions also, then I don't think it will show any major white cast, because after 5 minutes, if I see my skin in the mirror, it just feels like I applied a moisturizer, not a sunscreen. It takes like 30 seconds to 1 minute to kind of settle down. After that, it feels like a moisturizer more or less. Normally with chemical sunscreens, you won't get any white cast on the skin, but with physical sunscreens, it is expected to get a little bit of white cast. But surprisingly, the sunscreen works so well on my skin. It is very soothing and blends in very well. The texture is so nice, and the ingredients are so good. It has like calming ingredients in it, like the mugwort leaf, and it has 2% niacinamide. It has qualin to moisturize the skin. So overall, a very good sunscreen, and I highly recommend it if you are looking for a sunscreen that leaves no white cast on your skin. And I got this product as free. These two products as free, along with the Kama hair color kit that I have shown in the beginning of this video. Body moisturizer. It has a very strong fragrance. I used it as hand cream. It is moisturizing. It is good, but it has like very strong fragrance. So probably I won't be getting the full size of that one, but yeah. And I got this Kumkumadi cream. I am very excited to try this one. Till now I have not tried it because I am not doing many experiments with my skin. I'm like, okay, it is going through so much with the tretinoin, so I'm like, I'll try it later. But it looks very interesting. The Kumkumadi day cream, it looks very interesting, and I will try it soon. And I got this mascara for around 40% off. Generally I love Maybelline mascaras, But after applying this one, I felt that I like the yellow one more than this one, because that gives like nice volume and nice lift to my eyelashes. It is not that effective in doing that. So this is, I think, very popular shade in Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipsticks. This shade is Irresistible. Right now I am applying that shade. It is like pink, peach, brown kind of nude color, which adds like a very soft kind of color to the lips, and I absolutely love it. It's like go to like everyday kind of color on my lips, and I love it. And they sent one more like mini as free. This is from their Superstay Matting collection, and it is the shade 80, and I don't like this shade on my lips. I don't know, in the tube it looks nice, in the packaging it looks like a mauve pink color, but when I apply it, I don't like it. It looked very weird on my lips, so I don't like it. And after that, I got the Ceramide's 0.3 moisturizer. This is also my frequent repurchases, and I emptied this one already, and that's why I got the Illiyoon one. Now I am sticking with the Illiyoon one. If the Illiyoon one is out of stock, then I'll use this. Otherwise, I'll use the Illiyoon one only. If you are looking for a good ceramide moisturizer that is easily available in India, then you can go for this one. It is very soothing, hydrating, moisturize your skin very well. If you are using tretinoin, then it will soothe your skin very well. So overall, a very good moisturizer from Minimalist. And I placed the order for Dot & Key sunscreens, the Dot & Key Blueberry sunscreen, which has peptides and ceramides in it. They say it is very hydrating sunscreen and barrier support sunscreen. I placed an order for that one. Right now it is in transit. So by the time I am editing this video, if I received that, then I'll include that texture shots also. And one more thing is the sports sunscreen, which they are claiming it as water resistant up to 3 hours. So I bought that sunscreen also. I'll test those two sunscreens, and I'll do one review of both the sunscreens in one video. You guys are asking to test the water resistant sunscreen, so I bought that one. So these are all the products that I bought in the last 2-3 months, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you have any other recommendations, if you want me to try some other products, please let me know in the comment section. I'll do that, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.